So here we are in Summit, New Jersey. We're out to service this 20 kW generator. We're going to be doing our preventative maintenance. This is the annual service, one of the 2 visits per year that this customer opted to have in their annual service agreement. During this service, we're going to be draining the engine oil, replacing the oil filter with a new oil filter, and then putting new oil into the generator. We're also going to remove the spark plugs, clean them, and see if they do need replacing, and if they do, we're going to replace those. The same concept for the air filter. We're going to remove it, clean the air filter, and replace it if it needs replacing. When we first got here, you saw us cleaning down the generator. Last time we were out here was about 6 months ago. So there was a lot of debris in there from landscapers blowing the leaves and stuff of that nature. My brother's in there, Michael, right now cleaning out the compartment where the battery goes, because there's also debris inside of there. So we try to not only service the generator, but keep it clean as well and presentable. This generator doesn't really look it, but this is about 6-7 years old, this unit. If you properly maintain them, clean them up a couple times a year, do all the preventative maintenance that you need to, they should look good and last for a long time into the future. We're about to do a battery load test on the battery to see if the battery cold cranking amps are deteriorating, or if that battery is still in good shape to power the generator for another 6 months before we come out for our next service, so that we're not incurring an emergency service call fee to come out and replace it during a power outage situation. And we're going to check to make sure that there were no fault events with the generator throughout the period that we haven't been out here to maintenance it, and then also check that the software is updated and current on the generator itself. I mean, as far as it's going now, this generator could last another 20 years, it could last another 30 years. We have generators that are 30 years old that we still service. Once you sign up with us, we add you to our list, our servicing list, and we'll contact you once a year, once every 6 months, once every quarter, whichever you opt to go with as far as the service contract. Most of the time you don't even need to be home. A lot of times, obviously, the generator's on the outside of the house. Most times the transfer switch is on the outside of the house, so we can do everything without anybody even needing to be home. Hey everyone, this is Anthony from Northeast Generators. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.